Welcome, today I'm showing you how to link or unlink Google Assistant option from Google button into a NOKIA X20. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and find system option. Then go into gestures and here find Google Assistant button. This button you find here on this side. Okay, so go into this option and this position of switcher is activate this option and button, and this position it's turn off this option and button. So activate and let's try. Press and how you can see our Hey Google is ready to use. Turn off, press and Google Assistant is disabled. So that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.